What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and follow me on both my social media networks, both Instagram and Snapchat. In today's video, we will be installing a Vega motor. In today's video, we will be installing the Vega Modified version 3 splitter onto the RS. Obviously, we're installing it and taking it right back off so we can wrap the bumper. Because I don't want to be drilling the bumper when it's already wrapped. I don't want to risk damaging the wrap. So we're going to install it, take it right back off, wrap it, and put it back on. First things first, we got power tools. So the first thing that we're doing today is we have to cut this lip off around here. I know it's already pretty shaped down because this did fall off doing a pretty significant speed. So we got this power tool right here. So that's pretty flush. We'll just have to sand it down just a little. So now that we have that cut, we do have to go ahead and reinstall it on the bumper. So that is back on. Time to start installing the splitter. Looks looking good. Alright guys, so the lip is mounted to the bumper. All we have left to do is get some mounting rods on it. Then that is complete. Then we just take it off and get it ready to be wrapped. Alright guys, so I went ahead and marked where I'm going to put the rod. I'm going to take a center punch so our drill bit doesn't slide everywhere. Also, keep in mind that you do have to buy the rods separately. I picked those up on Amazon. Make sure you drill nice and straight. So we're going to try a 9/16 right now. Yep.
Hosted by Ryan Seacrest from T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. Watch live on the CW app and CWTV.com.
9/16 was the right size. Or the right size. Alright, so everything is mounted up. I still have to put the side canards on, and we'll see how it looks here in just a second. Alright guys, there it is. Of course it's not mounted to the car yet, but it looks fantastic. Alright you guys, now that the splitter is installed, it's time to take it back off, but we are not going to do that in this video because why would we do that? It's pretty much an install video. It's just a few bolts to take it off, thankfully. But all the holes are pre-drilled, ready to go for when the wrap is done. So that is what it looks like with the front splitter from Vega Modified. I may as well go ahead and include the Velossatech big mouth intake since you're seeing it both in the same video. Of course, it will be a separate video for both installs. Once again, thank you to Velossatech for sponsoring the build. Look at that, guys. It looks pretty damn good. Again, I picked up these badges from Gel Badges of Australia. They did a great product. I have the insert in the RS badge in white. Also, the inserts on the spoiler, back badge, and of course this side of the spoiler. Alright you guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I am very pleased on how the car turned out. It looks absolutely fantastic. Big shout out to Wrap My Ride, Velossatech Designs, Gel Badges of Australia, and Vega Modified. Because of you guys, the car looks absolutely killer. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead and conclude today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of the purple RS. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.
Yeah, boy.